Hey guys, welcome back. It's Priya. In today's video, I'll be giving you a glimpse of BTS movie and also I'll be showing you how to make bruschetta.
Today I'm taking you guys along with me. As you can see, I'm in car. That means I'll be vlogging today. Yes, and I'm so excited for this. And also, I'm going to BTS movie. Super excited for that as well. And to the people who doesn't know what BTS, they're actually Korean K-pop boy band. Baby. Next, what about?
Again, to the people who are still confused about what BTS, here it is. Actually, BTS abbreviation is behind the scene, but here I'm telling you about globally famous and well-known and also one of my favorite boy band, Bangtan Sonyeontan, which is also popularly known as BTS. And this band is from South Korea. Again, if you don't know where is South Korea, here it is. Yes, and they have many record-selling albums and successful world tours as well. So if you're interested, you can check them out. And here I'm introducing my friend. Actually, there was a problem with phone. It did not record anything at all. Whatever we spoke in the phone while vlogging, it did not record at all. I was so devastated when I found out that it did not record any of the voice we spoke there. We had so much fun and we spoke a lot. It was so fun. I just wanted to show you guys, but bad luck. Okay guys, anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, after the movie and after roaming inside the mall, we were so hungry. So after searching for some time, we managed to find this restaurant, which is called Chianti. Actually, it's pronounced Chianti. I don't know. That's a Google pronounced, and it's a Italian restaurant. Even we wanted to give it a try, so we decided to go in, and we'll tell you how it tasted. I loved menu itself because it has that artistic look and gave me kind of Italian vibe as well. Maybe because it has that weird names which I can't pronounce. That's odd. And the prices were a little bit expensive as well, but we were forced, so we decided to share, and I did not find it that expensive as it is because we shared. Now it's time for bruschetta. Yeah, and it's very simple, and I came up with my own recipe as well. Not really, but I just changed one thing. I'll be telling you that later. Anyways, basically it's a rusk. They even use bread for this, I guess, because bread is staple food of Tuscany. Anyways, we'll be using this for now. And now take a rusk and rub that garlic clove all over that, and later repeat same with the basil leaves as well. And instead of that basil leaves, you can even use mint leaves. And this is what I meant. I changed my recipe, not entirely just one thing I changed, and I think it will be good. It will taste good. And now sprinkle that salt and pepper evenly. And now the fourth step, take the cherry tomato and repeat first and second step again. And now the last step, take that origin oil and drizzle it over the rusk. And now your bruschetta is ready to taste. You can have this as your evening snacks as well, and trust me, it tasted so good. And bruschetta means it's a toasted Italian bread drenched in olive oil and served typically with garlic or tomatoes. And this bread was on a restaurant, and trust me, it was so fluffy, and even the dip, it tasted so delicious. I think it was avocado and some mint leaves and maybe some seasonings, and seriously it was so yummy. And even pizza was so good, it did not taste anything at all like Domino's or Pizza Hut. It was not heavy on my stomach, so it was too good. And even this one is called panna cotta, my favorite of all. This is the Italian dessert as well. You can see there is a max melon, I guess. I'm not sure which fruit is that, and that cherry sauce and ice cream, everything was on point. I just loved this dessert. You can see that wiggly thing there, and we finished it with no time, as you can see. I if you want to try this Italian dish, I recommend you to go to this restaurant. It is called Chianti or Chianti, whatever. It's in Vegacitymall. I think it's near to Banshankari or JP Nagar. I'm not sure. So yeah, if you want to taste Italian, just go to this restaurant. It is very good. Everything was so yummy and tasty, but it was a little expensive. And if you go with a group or something like that with friends, like 4 to 3, just like how we went, you can save some penny. Yeah. And this was our bill. We ordered starters, pizza and dessert. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and turn on that bell notification. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do share. And you can also follow me on Instagram.